Prudence and Passion, the love story of Solomon and the Queen of Sheba, Zebud and Solomon.
Women, 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 everywhere, in every flavor. Oh, my Lord, have mercy. But they don't move you at all. I don't get it.
Listen, they are all beautiful, but my mind has been so wrapped up in the affairs of the state and these building projects. I don't really get much time to sample, as you say, all the flavors. Plus, brother, I haven't been able to stop thinking, about her.
Live on stage, November 8th, 2025. The play, Prudence and Passion, the love story of Solomon and the Queen of Sheba. Do not wait. Claim your seat now.